Hi, Dr. Kinney. Flat feet is a very common issue, and a lot of people are very concerned about the fact that they have flat feet. Is it really a cause of concern, and how does one deal with it?
Okay, hi Namita, thanks for this. I think flat feet is not at all an issue. It's one of the most commonest things that come, and in fact, in our population who is flexible, it's very common. It's physiologic. In fact, all of us when we are born, we don't have an arch. We develop the arch as we grow into a young adult with muscle control and tone and ligaments. And as we grow in our elderly life, we again group our arches down because the tone of the muscle relaxes. So it's not that all flat feet are pathologic. In fact, in one of those or very small subset of these people who come with pain, which is affecting their activities of daily living, becomes a pathologic flat foot who needs to be treated or he needs intervention. So only those small subset needs an intervention.
Okay. How important is exercise for someone who has flat feet, and what are the exercises that you would recommend?
So again, exercise is a very important part of flat feet management, and someone as our arch drops down, we need to learn to build it up or hold the arch up. So simple exercises like stretching your calves, taking your foot inverted or curling your toes can help you a long way in building your or maintaining the muscle tone of your flat feet and not getting this fatigue of the foot or pain in the foot because of this. Along with these, you can also get a customized footwear or which can support the arch by using arch supports in your footwear, and that can also make you go about your demands of the foot and lead into a pain-free life.
Thank you so much, doctor. This was so useful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.